Ang tanong, the following are the general rules on searching evidence except A, B, C, or D. Anong sagot ng mga bodies? Tamang sagot ay... Anong tamang sagot? Yes. There is a hard and fast rule in the type of search to be conducted in all kinds of situation. Walang ganun. Walang hard and fast rule. Bakit? Kasi yung type of search will depend on the area itself and other factors to consider. Hindi yung lahat na lang ng sitwasyon, lahat na lang ng area ang gagawin mo na crime scene search ay spiral. Hindi. May pinaggagamitan lang ng spiral search. Na tatalakayin natin maya-maya. Diba? So ano yung general rules on searching for evidence? E di yung A, B, and C. A general survey of the scene is always made. B, each crime is different. Ayan. Iba-iba ang krimen eh. According to the physical nature of the scene and the crime or offense involved. And letter C, the scene is processed in accordance with the prevailing physical characteristics of the scene and with the need to develop essential evidentiary facts peculiar to the offense. Pag sinabing peculiar, kakaiba. Depende sa nature ng krimen. Again, there is no one size that fits all. There is no one size that fits all. Walang freestyle dito or yung free size na tinatawag. Iba-iba ang klase ng krimen. At dyan magdidepende yung klase ng search na gagawin mo. Again, depende sa characteristics at depende pa sa iba't ibang mga kinakailangan dun sa crime scene. Aimsmark, your review authority.